In his recent interaction with media persons in Shillong, the spokesperson of the MDA 2.0 government and also Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh had responded to queries regarding the recent remarks by VPP leaders against the United Democratic Party with regards to the upcoming adjourned Legislative Assembly elections in Sohiong.
Well, my mind is not as agitated as theirs, so I prefer to stay calm. I'm here to get things done as a legislator and as a member of the cabinet. I have done a lot of things for the state, but it doesn't mean that each time I do anything, I will go to the rooftop of the secretariat and scream that this is what I have done.
On the border issue, Paul Lyngdoh said that new regional committees will be constituted before talks on resolving the issue of differences in the remaining 6 areas are resumed.
I spoke to the DC, West Khasi Hills. We are trying to first get the new members nominated because the old committees have become dysfunctional in view of the fact that you have MLAs who are no longer in the current house. So that process is already on, but hopefully in the next 1 month we should be having the regional committee fully in place, and then we will visit Lyngdoh in order to take a review.